Jeswałk is a village in the northeast part of Poland, in Masurian Warmia region. The Holy Mother, who appeared to two young girls, Justina and Barbara, came with a message of conversion, penance for the sins, and she gave a great hope to the distressed people. At that time, Poland was partitioned among 3 countries and did not exist on the map of the world. In the Masurian Warmia region, the Polish people were forced to speak German. The Holy Mother sent messages in Polish language, which cheered the Polish people very much. The first apparition took place on Wednesday, June 27, 1877. In the moment when Justina was coming back from the church, together with her mother, after the exam from catechism, which she has passed. It was the evening, and the bell from the church tower rang for the angels. Justina noticed the Holy Mother between the 2 withered boughs. The Most Holy Mary had the long hairs. After a moment, the child Jesus descended from heaven in white yellow clothing. Both go to heaven. The child Jesus is on the left side of the Holy Mother. The next apparition took place on Thursday, June 28, 1877. This time, both girls, Justina and Barbara, saw the beautiful lady. The Holy Mother appeared above the maple tree, which was near the church. The Most Holy Mary was sitting on a throne with the child Jesus and was surrounded by the angels. The child Jesus held a brilliant ball with a small cross at the top. The Holy Mother was crowned by the angels. Justina asked, "What do you require, Holy Mother?" And she heard the answer. "So I require so that you pray the rosary every day." The apparition on July 1, 1877, the children from the parish in Jeswałk received their first Holy Communion. Justina asked during the prayer of Rosary under the maple tree, "Who are you?" The Holy Mother answered, "I am the Most Holy, Blessed Virgin Mary, conceived immaculate." Many other apparitions took place after, and the last one was on September 16, 1877, about 5 o'clock in the evening. The Holy Mother blessed at the beginning her own figure in the small chapel, and after that, she blessed all people who asked for it, and at the end, she said, "Pray the Rosary